Hi everyone, this is a tutorial on how to use the Mer driver portal. At Mer, we like to make things easy for you. This is why we give you the choice to charge your electric vehicle as a guest user or by registering on our network for all our public charge points. You can charge using contactless payment on certain devices, a Mer charge card, the Mer Connect UK app, or directly via your internet browser with the Mer driver portal. As a guest user, you do not need to sign up with us. Just visit the Mer driver portal, accessible via the Mer website, or by typing into your browser driver.uk.mer.eco. To start a charge, connect the cable to your vehicle and the charger, enter your current location, it could be a city or a car park name. You can then view the nearest charge points as a list by clicking on List Results. Select the charge point that you wish to charge at. You can check the socket number on the charger if you are unsure. Swipe the bar to connect, and then add your personal and billing details to start the charge. To stop the charge, swipe Stop in the driver portal. A receipt will be sent to you via email following your charge. To start and stop a charge as a registered customer, follow the same steps as a guest user. You will be billed monthly on the payment card you registered with. To register as a Mer customer, click on Sign Up. You are then redirected to a page about the Mer network, click on View Plan, then Sign Me Up. You will be prompted to fill in your personal and payment details. To activate your account, we will send you an email with an activation link. Now that your account has been created, you can go ahead and click on Login. Let's explore the menu to see what you are able to do with the driver portal. To see your favourites and recent charge points, click on the main menu, then click on Favourites and Recent. To add a favourite charge point, click on a charge point, then click on Add to Favourites. If you're experiencing a problem, you can report the issue via the contact form, but we always advise calling customer service if it's urgent. The phone number is located at the top of every page. On the top right-hand corner menu, in the Profile section, you can view, edit your profile, and change your password. You can also view your charge history, manage and add members. If you wish to charge with a Mer charge card, you can order it in the Cards section. Just click on Cards, fill in your details, and then order card. You can then manage your card via the Cards tab, where you have the option to reassign it, suspend it, or report it lost. To manage your notifications, go into the Notifications tab and choose how you wish to receive your notifications, by email, text message, or via an in-app notification. In the Account section, you can add or edit your payment details, view and download your invoices, or check your billing transactions. To go back to the home page, click on Find a Charge Point. We hope that this overview of the Mer driver portal was useful. Thank you for charging with us.